The Comfort365 for residential new construction is a low-cost alternative to zoning that solves the common problem found in two-story homes, where during the cooling season, the upstairs is too hot, and during the heating season, the downstairs is too cold. It's half the cost of zoning and eliminates a lot of the installation hassles common to zoning. Let's take a look at the comfort problem found in most two-story homes. In moderate weather, the upstairs and downstairs temperatures rise at about the same rate, and when cooling is activated, the space is cooled about the same rate, and both spaces remain comfortable. In hot summer months, however, the upstairs temperature rises at a faster rate than the downstairs due to sun exposure and rising heat. When cooling is activated, the downstairs space is cooled to its comfort temperature. The upstairs space doesn't cool at the same rate, and the upstairs temperature continues to rise, sometimes as much as 10 degrees more than the downstairs, causing discomfort. In cold winter months, there is a similar comfort problem. The upstairs is warmed by the sun and rising heat, while the downstairs can be cold. When the downstairs is heated to a comfortable temperature, the upstairs becomes overheated, causing discomfort. The upstairs needs less heating so the temperatures are balanced and both spaces are comfortable. Now let's take a look at the Comfort365 components and installation. Just as in zoning, two dampers are installed to control airflow to the downstairs and upstairs spaces. The dampers are modulating, and airflow changes can be made in increments as small as 2% compared to a zoning damper that just opens and closes. The low-power actuators use only 2 VA of power. This allows the Comfort365 system to operate using the equipment 24 VAC, available on the equipment RNC terminals. A low-cost temperature sensor is installed in the upstairs bedroom hallway. If needed, a second sensor can be installed in the master bedroom and the temperatures are averaged. The Comfort365 programmable thermostat is installed in the downstairs living space. The thermostat not only controls heating and cooling calls, but also automatically controls the distribution of heating and cooling to the upstairs and downstairs spaces. The touchscreen thermostat features a large, high-definition LCD that's easily viewable from any angle. The Comfort365 installation is simple. Each damper connects to the thermostat using a 3-wire connection. The sensor connects to the thermostat using a 2-wire connection, and the thermostat connects to the equipment using a 5 to 7-wire connection depending on the type of equipment installed. Only 13 wires to connect. Now let's compare the Comfort365 installation to a zoning installation. A typical zoning installation has 25 wires to connect compared to a Comfort365 with only 13. Fewer wires means fewer wiring errors. The Comfort365 eliminates bypass because the dampers never fully close and the airflow through the equipment remains constant. The Comfort365 also eliminates the discharge air temperature sensor, zoning panel, and transformer, and the upstairs thermostat is replaced with a simple 2-wire temperature sensor. When you compare the installation of the Comfort365 against a 2-zone zoning installation, there's no question that the Comfort365 is much simpler to install. The Comfort365 solves the comfort problem by automatically directing more airflow to the space that needs it. During heating and cooling calls, the thermostat monitors the downstairs and upstairs temperatures, and if there is more than a 2-degree difference, the modulating dampers automatically adjust so that more airflow is directed to the area that needs it. When the upstairs needs more airflow, typically in cooling, the upstairs damper remains fully open, while the downstairs damper partially closes, forcing more airflow upstairs. When the downstairs needs more airflow, typically in heating, the downstairs damper remains fully open while the upstairs damper partially closes, forcing more airflow downstairs. The Comfort365 dynamically adjusts the airflow to find the right distribution to match the demand so that the upstairs and downstairs spaces are evenly cooled and evenly heated for a uniformly comfortable home. The Comfort365 offers the contractor many powerful benefits. It's half the material cost of zoning, and its simple installation reduces labor costs. And because the Comfort365 is not a zoning system, some of the HERS zoning tests and form requirements are eliminated, which means additional labor cost savings. The Comfort365 is simple to install, a huge benefit when faced with a shortage of qualified labor. As mentioned earlier, the Comfort365 requires only 13 wires to connect and eliminates installing a zoning panel, transformer, discharge air temperature sensor, and upstairs thermostat. It also eliminates installing the bypass duct and damper and setting and testing the bypass value. Or if bypassing to non-calling zones, it eliminates setting and testing the close position on the zone dampers. There are a number of resources available to contractors. Contractors are always welcome to call our office or reach out by email for technical support. Contractors can also find installation videos online at econtrolsusa.com that guide the installer through installation step by step. We are also available for custom training sessions via Zoom or webinars at times that work for the contractor. A great tool provided to contractors at no charge is an installation tester that plugs onto the subbase and is used to check the sensor, damper, and equipment wiring. The tester is a great tool to ensure the installation is correct and avoid future callbacks. Another resource available online is a troubleshooting guide that outlines common mistakes made in the field and how to fix them. A one-page homeowner quick start is also available that the contractor can attach to the thermostat once the Comfort365 installation has been commissioned. For the builder, a Comfort365 homeowner video is available either online or on disk. The video serves as a training tool for sales associates as well as for homeowners and explains the Comfort365 system and how it improves homeowner comfort and energy savings. The one-page homeowner quick start referenced earlier is also a tool for the builder, as it's a quick reference for the homeowner upon move-in. eControls is available for builder support by phone or email. Sales associate training sessions by Zoom or webinars are also available. The Comfort365 improves homeowner comfort by dynamically adjusting airflow to meet changing comfort needs so that the home is uniformly comfortable throughout the day in every season. The nighttime airflow control option saves 30% in energy at night and improves comfort by automatically directing 30% more airflow to the upstairs sleeping space and 30% less airflow to the unoccupied downstairs. In addition, the upstairs temperature sensor is used to make the heating and cooling calls for improved comfort. The nighttime airflow control option can be turned off if needed. The Comfort365 also saves energy during heating by directing more airflow downstairs and satisfying the call sooner. If the homeowner directs 20% more airflow downstairs, the call is satisfied 20% sooner and the homeowner saves 20% in energy. Every homeowner is unique and has different comfort needs. The Comfort365 offers different airflow options to meet different needs. Some homeowners are content with just letting the thermostat automatically control airflow and comfort. Others may want to override the airflow for a short time, such as for a party when more airflow may be desired downstairs. And then there are homeowners who want complete airflow control. The Comfort365 meets all of their needs. The Comfort365 is available in a Wi-Fi version and can be offered to the homeowner at the time of the home sale or offered later through the contractor or eControls. The Wi-Fi version easily plugs right onto the same subbase, so there is no additional wiring. In addition, only one Wi-Fi thermostat is needed in a Comfort365 installation compared to 2 in a zoning installation. Besides the quick start that comes with the thermostat, there are a number of homeowner resources, including how-to videos and troubleshooting guides available online at Comfort365USA.com. The Comfort365 thermostat is available in 3 models. The C365 T11 is the most commonly used model and controls single-stage gas-electric equipment. The C365 T21 and C365 T21WF thermostats both control gas-electric or heat pump equipment with either 2 heat, 1 cool, or 1 heat, 2 cool. Model C365 T21WF is Wi-Fi enabled and includes the Wi-Fi app. The wired temperature sensor is available in 2 models. The TS510W sensor is used when just one sensor is installed. The TS520W sensor is used when 2 sensors are installed. A 2-sensor installation requires 2 TS520W sensors to be used. Both round and rectangular modulating dampers are available. Model R80CT-XX is a round damper and is available in 6 to 20 inch diameters. We find that 14, 16, and 18-inch dampers are most commonly used in RNC. Model RT80CT-HHDD is a rectangular damper and is available in 8 to 24-inch sizes. eControls has in-house imprinting capabilities and can private label the Comfort365 for the contractor or distributor. The Comfort365 is half the cost of zoning, much easier to install, and provides a comfortable home in all seasons, making the Comfort365 a powerful solution for distributors, contractors, and builders. If you have any questions or need more information, please contact us.